सो आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन ना वैसे मैंने सोचा था कि तू पूछेगा ऐसा क्वेश्चन बट ये बड़े अमेजिंग ढंग से तूने पूछा बिकॉज नॉर्मली लोग पूछते हैं कि रिक्रिएशंस क्यों कर रहे हैं आप, है ना. सो आई थिंक दिस रिक्रिएशन इज फॉर अ रीजन बिकॉज फिल्म का नाम इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार है. एंड अगर ये गाना हम रिक्रिएट ना करते तो शायद कुछ इनजस्टिस हो रहा होता फिल्म के साथ. एंड ट्रस्ट मी नितिन, इस गाने के हमने कुछ 17-18 वर्जन्स बनाए. एंड सर इज हियर. He used to come to our sessions. And he actually told me that I'm feeling so refreshed after so many years, and I am coming to a music session after so many years. Even for Sonu sir's recording, sir was present there. And Sonu sir has sung this song twice. पहली बार उन्होंने गाया, उनको खुद इतना मजा नहीं आया. हम we were of course we were very happy कि सोनू ने कहा मैं sung it, and he heard it. कहता है यार रोचक थोड़ा सा बेटर कर सकता हूँ. मैं कहा कूल करते हैं. फिर सर वापस आए and then he sang it again and we reworked. कभी ऐसा लग रहा था कि beats बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही हैं, कभी ऐसा लग रहा था थोड़ा सा एनर्जी कम जा रही है. तो आई थिंक ये जो अभी वर्जन है मेरे ख्याल से ये आप लोगों को सबको अच्छा लगेगा. आई थिंक सो.
ठीक है. The man has spoken, ladies and gentlemen. Rochak Kohli. Sir, as I said, amazing films in the past. 80s से लेकर अब तक रूल कर रहे हैं. फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करने की बात हो, म्यूजिक की बात हो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने की बात हो. इस फिल्म में ये क्या था कि मुझे लगा यही वाली जो फिल्म है मुझे इसी को वापस से लेकर आना है सबके लिए. सर यही फ्रैंचाइज क्यों? रमेश तौरानी साहब.
थैंक यू. हाँ, थैंक यू. ये फिल्म इसलिए कि ऐसी स्टोरी मिली हमको, ऐसी एकदम जो फ्रेश स्टोरी लगी कि हमको डेफिनेटली ये करनी चाहिए ये पिक्चर. और स्क्रिप्ट हमको इतनी पसंद आई कि हमने कहा इसको न्यू कमर्स के साथ ही बनानी चाहिए जैसे पहले बनाई थी. और हमारे पास म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा है इस पिक्चर का. और इस पिक्चर में जो बाकी 4 गाने जो नए क्रिएट किए हैं रोचक ने, वो आउटस्टैंडिंग है. तो वो बहुत अच्छा एक स्टोरी के साथ जो म्यूज़िक कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए वो किया है. इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है. और ये पिक्चर में मेरी बेटी जया टौरानी ने बहुत मेहनत की है. और ये एक्चुअली उसकी बेबी है. और उसने भी मतलब स्क्रिप्ट से लेके कॉन्सेप्ट लेवल से लेके कास्टिंग तक to music, to everything. She has done a superb job on this film. Thank you.
Amazing. बातचीत बड़ी सारी और करनी है. गुरप्रीत, when you were told to rewrite the thing, lyrics की जहां तक बात है, पिछले वाले ही अभी सर से नहीं हटे, तो यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा था? As I said, बड़ा इनफॉर्मल सा है, तो कहीं बोला रोचक को कि क्या करवा रहा है यार, क्यों कर रहे हैं हम?
So रोज आते हो. So I think the biggest challenge here was to match the lyrics with the energy that these people have, and that the energy that the freshness that the script has, and आज के ज़माने में उसको set करना. तो वो एक challenge था. But I think me and Rocha bhai, we have been working since a long time, और and we've always यार ये तो करेंगे, ये चैलेंज आया इसको तो करेंगे. एंड या आई थिंक स्क्रिप्ट ने बहुत गाइड किया टू राइट व्हाट वी वांटेड टू राइट. एंड देयर आर पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट्स इन द फिल्म जो कि आपको गाने में भी पता लग जाएंगी कि मज़ा आ रहा है. हाँ, तो हमको भी आया और आपको भी आएगा.
I'm sure. Thank you so much. निकिता, I'll come to you. लेकिन आपसे मैं प्रॉपर मेहनत करवाऊंगा, ये इनफॉर्मल में नहीं चलेगा आपके साथ. सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ऑन अ फॉर्मल नोट, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस दिस थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस दिस आफ्टरनून. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, यही एनर्जी है इस फिल्म की, यही फ्रेशनेस है जो कि देखने को मिलेगी इन 4 नए लोगों के साथ जो कि ऑल सेट हैं आप सबका दिल जीतने के लिए. सो प्रेजेंटिंग द स्टार कास्ट ऑफ इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. बनती है तालियां, बनती हैं, ऐसे ही बनती है ऑफ कोर्स. सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस एंड पश्मीना, वेलकम टू द मूवीज. हाउ डज इट फील? आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड यार. ओ सॉरी, मैं देखो ना, मैं खूबसूरती से I'm like देख ही नहीं रहा हूं.
Nervous, excited, and just Everything.
You know, the worst part is कि जिब्रान इसमें ये बड़े होके दिख रहे हैं. So now everybody is like, यार K3G में ये इतना सा था. How old am I now? Like, मैं कितना बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ types. मैं अपने लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, या जो लोग सोच रहे हैं. जिब्रान, welcome to the movies. What do you have to say?
Hello, everyone. And firstly, it's such an amazing feeling. There's so much excitement. And yeah, this is something which I've been just waiting for a really, really long time. And आज आप लोग सबको देख के, it's just such a surreal feeling. And just thank you so much, yeah. Just thank you so much.
Amazing it is, है ना? Naila, I'll come to you. You know, you're already killing it. You're there, here, there, everywhere. You're killing it. What do you have to say with this amazing, amazing cast and Ishq Wishk Rebound?
Firstly, thank you. Thankfully, I've been doing some great work, but working with these three, my heart is overflowing. I'm just so happy to be collaborating with three people that I absolutely have fallen in love with. And there's a lot of ishq, wishk, confusion, rebound. It's going to be an exciting, confusing, wonderful ride. So I can't wait for everyone to see.
I am sure we're going to love it. And now talking to the man here, the superstar Rohit Saraf. Exactly. Events पे जाते लोग खड़े marry me. कितने क्या हो रहा है? ये कैसी fan following है भाई?
I think you're talking about yourself. मुझे तो कोई नहीं बोलता मैं.
हा. पूरा timeline भरा हुआ है. You're just killing it. We're loving each and every unit of this. What do you have to say? You know, we have these wonderful people who are here. और इस अवतार में आपको welcome करने के लिए all set है.
Firstly, thank you so much everyone who's come to support us, to be at the reception of our film. This is the first song launch. I am so excited. I have honestly waited to do this for years. You know, it's something that I've kind of, मैं हर रोज सुबह उठता था and you know, this is a driving force in my life. This has been a driving force in my life. So firstly, before anything else, and this is something that I've always kind of wanted to do, I do that personally, but I want to do this publicly also. Huge thanks to Tips for making this happen for all of us. You know, I think the fact that Ramesh ji did this 21 years ago with Shahid, Sir, Amrita, you know, Vishal, with Shehnaz, everyone. And I think to be able to have that kind of faith and bring new talent after all of these years again speaks volumes about the kind of producer he is. Him, Jaya ma'am, Varsha ma'am, the entire family at Tips. So firstly, thank you so much for that. Secondly, I am just so happy that I can finally share this with you guys, because it has been 2 years since we've, you know, the journey of this film started, and now we're finally here. This song I have grown up listening to. It is bizarre in my head. It's surreal, the fact that I get to kind of dance on it today with all of these amazing people. And I just really hope that whatever we've done, you'll like. And yeah, once again, I'm very excited and very grateful to all of you guys for being here. Thank you.
Lovely. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Requesting all you amazing people to kindly be seated. क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास बड़े सारे surprises हैं आपके लिए, और जो हमारे यहाँ पे eminent journalists हैं उन सब के लिए. तो are we all set for the big surprise? रोचक कोहली साहब खाली एनर्जी दिखा रहे, तुम लोग की एनर्जी कहाँ गई यार? है ना? So no, don't worry. ऐसे मत करो यार. Come on, we gotta make some more noise. Come on. We're good with it, yaar. We do it every single time. So, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes towards the big screen, because यहाँ पे अब आपको सबसे पहले we'll show you the teaser, and after that we'll play the song जिसके लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं. बस एक छोटी सी गुजारिश है मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स से यहाँ पे. अभी मैं हूँ से था हो जाता. Okay. So सबसे यही सुनते हैं, मजा आ रहा है. आई एम श्योर हुक स्टेप सबने याद कर लिए, बिकॉज यहाँ कुछ होने वाला है अभी खास, है ना? और वो देवी जी कहाँ गई? हाँ, आई विल कम टू यू. ओके, सो रोहित, आई विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. प्लीज टेल मी, यू नो, सच एन आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग, एज आई सेड, इट्स अ लेगेसी जिसको आगे लेके जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे, और पहली बार ऐसे कमर्शियल डांस नंबर में हम आपको देख रहे हैं, एकदम ऐसा कमर्शियल हीरो के तौर पे. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
It's a dream come true, and like you said, it's a legacy that I'm only very, very grateful to be a part of. In all honesty, जैसा मैंने कहा, I have grown up listening to this song. तो सबसे पहले तो even imagining myself be a part of it and dance on such an iconic track, which has been a cult for all these years. I know every 90s kids, जैसे ये गाना, you know, we've dropped that, you know, it's going to come out. Everyone's been so excited, and I share that excitement because, in all honesty, I am still fanboying over what Shahid did all those years ago, and to be able to do that, it's honestly just sheer blessing, and I'm very, very excited to be doing this.
We're loving it. Pashmina, this one's for you. You know, all that gorgeous-ta over there, hai na? Yeah. And with all this handsome-ta. What do you have to say? You know, because the spotlight is actually on you. Loads and tons of expectations कि Pashmina Roshan का debut है. So, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ.
Firstly, hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. It means so much to all of us. Gosh, I'm quite nervous. But to answer your question,
Yes.
I feel like I am so grateful for this opportunity. And I am so, it's an iconic song. We're getting to recreate it. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I've gotten it. I feel like I only think about how grateful I am. And I only think about how I can give my 100% to something like this and do full justice to it. And I hope we've done full justice. I hope everyone liked the song. So that's where I thought from.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. We just loved what we saw on that big screen. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
doing
thank
it
you.
so beautifully. Gibran, this one's for you. हर कोई पहले से ही जिब्रा fan बना हुआ था आपका. I mean जिब्रा fan. और अभी from thank you so much. किसी ने तो एक joke acknowledge किया. भगवान भला करे तुम्हारा. You know, from that cute little boy in K3G to this handsome dude here. ये पूरी journey इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दो जल्दी से.
Firstly, it's been a very, very long journey. I think तकरीबन 20 साल हो गए हैं. आपने पिछली बार जब मुझे स्क्रीन पे देखा तब मैं बहुत छोटा था, और आई होप आज आपको मैं अच्छा लगा कि नहीं. कैसे लगे हम सब? So yes, it's been amazing, yaar, and I would also say life has come full circle for me because I have actually danced to this song as a kid, and just recreating this with Vijay sir, Sonu sir, and Ramesh ji just giving us this song. I think it's a blessing in disguise, guys. We couldn't get a better song to start with, and I really hope you all like it because we've put in a lot of love and effort. And just, thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Naila, this one's for you. Quickly, you know, if you have to talk to us about the entire thing, the entire journey of Ishq Vishk Rebound. Because thoda masala do, kaun kaisa, thoda tantrums deta tha, thoda kuch kya karte the, thoda...
1 second. Question. Why is she looking at me like that?
We got the answer.
Beans or not? Well, it's been an actual blast.
No.
No, I'll get to the juicy part soon. So, you know, when we started off, we were doing extensive workshops. So I got to know them on a very personal and vulnerable point, right? Because you kind of open up while जब आप workshops करते हैं तो खुल जाते हो एक दूसरे के साथ, quite literally. So I feel like when we got on set,
Look at them also. They were also on set, you know.
पर आपने बड़ा ही juicy question पूछ लिया है अभी.
अब रोहित का क्या है ना, वो उनका एक ऑन ऑफ स्विच होता है, तो पता होना पड़ता है कि you know when is he in the right frame of mind and mood to talk and chill, or he is. But I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you for that. Now during promotions, I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
Pash is an absolute sweetheart because the guys used to gang up on us. So of course, we as the girls, we have to मिलजुल के रहना पड़ता है.
Right.
And
Girls.
yes. And Gibran, the
बोलना.
ये एकदम नौटंकी, which is great fun because you need someone to be the life of the party when somebody is off.
Oh my God. She's suddenly making me sound like I was one party pooper and I used to be this moody little bee, but I wasn't.
No.
You know, stop it.
Okay, I'll end on the note of saying that they were all lovely. And
Wow. Wow. सब कुछ करके रजाई में लपेट दिया, बात खत्म हो गई. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर दिस अमेजिंग टीम, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. ऑफ कोर्स एज आई सेड, हुक स्टेप को यहाँ पे मैं देख रहा था, सब लोग बड़ा एकदम एंजॉय कर रहे थे. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कुछ हमारे जो मीडिया के फ्रेंड्स हैं उनमें से कुछ लोग प्लीज ऊपर आइए एंड वील आस्क देम, रिक्वेस्ट देम टू टीच यू द हुक स्टेप. यस मैम, आई एम लुकिंग एट यू. कम कम कम, रन रन रन, यहाँ से कम 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 कम. आइए सर. ऑफ कोर्स. कैसे ऐसे कैसे? आइए आइए. अनिकेत, वेयर इज अनिकेत?
Yes, you have to come.
Yes,
buddy.
you have to
Yes.
come. Come, you have to come.
I know you can dance.
You have to come.
स्नेह काम में. इतना प्यार से लोग बुला रहे इधर.
Rashmiya, lovely to meet you.
Come, run. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come, come, run, run, run.
Cookie,
जल्दी से आ जाओ.
cookie, cookie.
Come na Shreya, you can't hide like that.
Come.
Hello.
Shreyas.
चलो, quickly. Bro,
Rohit, start. Teach.
Can
Oh,
you-
no, no.
Naveen bhai,
So,
आओ.
we can do one thing. We can do one thing. I understand you all don't want to come up. Maybe for this one time.
Nayan is here, ladies and gentlemen. Of
Where's Nayan?
course. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Give it up for Nayandeep, ladies and gentlemen. Come,
Nayan!
run.
Oi!
To come there, yeah.
Nayandeep, Nayandeep.
Oh, Baba re. Oh, Baba re. ये हुई है ग्रैंड एंट्री. आ जाओ भाई, आ जाओ. चलो, we'll take the
I
mic.
think now we can all take the side stage and let Nayan be in the center. He has to be the center stage. Chalo.
चलो, can we have the music? Ladies and gentlemen, इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार. वो सर इतना प्यार कहाँ से ला रहे हो आप? टू गुड. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू नयन. थैंक यू सो मच. That was fab, yeah. That was fab. ऐसे ही मना कर रहे थे सब लोग यहाँ पे. Okay, so now what we'll do is, of course, the wonderful people who've done what they've done, and इससे पहले भी कर चुके, एक बार वापस कर रहे हैं, and how beautifully are they doing it. Tips से, of course, रमेश तौरानी साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली. प्रोड्यूसर साहब प्लीज मंच पे आइए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सॉन्ग लॉन्च के लिए आए हैं, इस पार्टी एंथम लॉन्च के लिए आए हैं, तो बनता है द मोस्ट अमेजिंग म्यूजिक कंपोजर हमारे साथ, जो कि जिस चीज को भी छूते एकदम मेलोडियस बना देते हैं. गिव इट अप फॉर रोचक कोहली. जीनियस एंड अ डियर फ्रेंड, तो तारीफ करना बनता था, वो लिख के दी थी मेरे भाई ने. ओके, सो रोचक, यू एंड रमेश सर, आप दोनों आज के, मतलब अगर दिन की मैं बात करूं, इन चार बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग आर्टिस्ट के अलावा, दिस इज योर डे. तो रमेश सर, आई विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. यू नो, इश्क विश्क, इश्क तो सबको पता है, विश्क क्या होता है? थोड़ा आउट ऑफ वो जाते हैं.
रिदमिक है ना, इसलिए टाइटल अच्छा लगता है.
इतनी रोमांटिक, इतनी बढ़िया पिक्चर बना के सर आपने, बस विश्क रोमांटिक है, मतलब रिदमिक है. अभी क्या बोलेंगे सर? हमने ये देखा यहाँ पे इनकी परफॉर्मेंस, मीडिया के साथ भी, वैसे भी. ऑफ कोर्स वी सॉ द थिंग ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से सर?
आप ये स्क्रीन पे देख के ही समझ जाएंगे कि ये लोग कितने टैलेंटेड हैं. इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है, इन्होंने बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप्स किए अपने पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले, बहुत वर्कशॉप्स किए. और प्लस हमारे डायरेक्टर आज हैं नहीं यहाँ पर, बिकॉज उनकी कोई शूटिंग चल रही है उसकी पिक्चर की आउट ऑफ टाउन. तो उसने बहुत उनके साथ वर्कशॉप्स किए थे, उनके साथ रिहर्सल किए थे, और विजय गंगोली ने ये इतना अच्छा पिक्चर शूट किया ये गाना, एंड ही केप्ट इट दैट कि ओरिजिनल हुक स्टेप हमेशा रखें इस गाने में, तो उसने वो भी उसको भी जस्टिफाई किया।
सर इतने साल हो गए, 21 ईयर्स इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, उसकी बात हम कर रहे हैं, तब भी फ्रेश था, आज भी फ्रेश हैं। तब 2 नए चेहरे लॉन्च किए थे। अभी आजकल के टाइम पे इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस थिंग कि लोगों को लगता है यार पिक्चर थिएटर्स तक कैसे पहुंचाऊं, लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचाऊं। यहाँ यू आर लॉन्चिंग 4 न्यू फेसेस, व्हाट वाज द थॉट बिहाइंड इट?
आई थिंक उस टाइम भी चारों नए थे। विशाल की भी पहली पिक्चर थी, शहनाज की भी पहली पिक्चर थी। मुझे लगता है अगर पिक्चर अच्छी बने, स्क्रिप्ट सही हो आपका, अगर म्यूज़िक सही है, तो उसके साथ आई थिंक पिक्चर चलती है थिएटर में, लोग आते हैं देखने। एक एक्साइटमेंट होनी चाहिए, और आप जब फिल्म ट्रेलर देख रहे हैं, माना टीज़र देखा आपने, गाना देखा, और जो आगे यूनिट्स आएंगे वो भी आप देखेंगे, तो आई थिंक वो एक्साइटमेंट लेवल और बढ़ेगी।
राइट सर, थैंक यू सो मच ये शेयर करने के लिए। रोचक मजाक मस्ती अपनी जगह, बट हियर कमिंग टू दिस थिंग, इट इज साउंडिंग अमेजिंग। एज आई सेड, हिंदी पिक्चर का गाना लग रहा है जो हम सब सुन के बड़े हुए हैं। अभी क्या थॉट जाता है आज के टाइम पे, बिकॉज एज वी से अटेंशन स्पैन इतना छोटा हो गया है सबका, है ना? इसको पूरे टाइम सबको आपने बांध के रखा है इस बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाने के साथ। व्हाट वाज इट लाइक?
यार आई थिंक वो जो फिल्म वाली जो बात कर रहे हो ना तुम, कि हिंदी फिल्म का गाना है, उसमें लाइक व्हेन वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग म्यूजिक, उसमें एक थॉट जाता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन दिस सॉन्ग, एंड मैं तेरे को सच बता रहा हूँ, जब मैंने वीडियो देखा, आई हैड टू ऐड द बेस टू द सॉन्ग, मेरे को बहुत सारी बीट्स और ऐड करनी पड़ी। मैं कहा यार ये तो गाने से ऊपर ये लोग आउट परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, so I have to make my song match their energy. So it's actually the whole team, the choreographer, the amazing cast, and इन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है hook step पे, इसके, so yeah. And yeah, so it's actually a team effort, and Sonu sir की energy is amazing. Aditya Dev has produced so well. Gurpreet has written it, मैंने बहुत मदद की उनकी। I'm just kidding.
That's so रोचक। Yeah, Nikita is here, of course. Melody in the house.
और मेलो तो हमने एज अ सरप्राइज रखे हुए थे ना कि वो आने वाले हैं, तो तुमने अभी बुलाना है इनको? नहीं, करते हैं,
लाइव करते हैं, थोड़ा गाना करते हैं, उससे पहले कुछ सवाल ले लेते हैं, अगर आप बोलो, है ना, हो जाए तो। यस, इट्स ओवर टू यू। जो भी आपके मन में सवाल हैं, यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चंस। कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं?
I'll start. Hi Rohit, Naila, Pashmina and Jibran. A huge congratulations for Ishq Vishk Rebound. I loved the teaser, I loved the song, loved the energy. My question is for Rohit. See, as I said, I really loved the song, I loved the teaser. You are also known as this generation's chocolate boy. Back when Ishq Vishk was being released, Shahid was also known as that generation's chocolate boy. So, now that you will be carrying this legacy ahead, is there also a newfound pressure? Because, there's, of course, there is growth, but again, at the same time, there will also be a lot of comparisons and things like that. So, how are you going to handle this? And again, at the same time, did you also get a chance to speak with Shahid?
Oh, okay. Firstly, ma'am, thank you so much for your question, and thank you for being here. So there are parts of this question which I'd like to answer. I feel talking about how I feel to be a part of this legacy, I feel more than pressure. There's just a lot of gratitude, because I feel like this is an opportunity that not many people get. And I don't want to dilute that by putting that kind of pressure on myself. Talking about pressure, I feel like sab itna aas-paas bolte hain pressure. I feel like I should start taking pressure. Because in all honesty, abhi tak I wasn't, so it's not like a remake of the first Ishq Vishk. It's not a sequel of the first Ishq Vishk. I think the thing that is common between the two films is that it belongs to the same franchise, but it's a new story altogether. It's a love story about Gen Z. It talks about a lot of things that, Gen Zs kind of go through, which is why it's exciting. But I feel like, अब मुझे मैं सोशल मीडिया पे भी पढ़ रहा हूँ जब से टीज़र आया है और गाने आए हैं, and even the questions that I'm asked in interviews, that do you feel pressure? So now I'm going to think about this, and maybe I will from now begin to feel some amount of pressure. But so far there's just been insane amount of gratitude to the universe, the producers, and just I'm very, very happy to be doing this. That's all there is to it. Did I miss anything?
Did you get a chance to speak with Shahid?
No, ma'am. I actually haven't had the chance to speak with Shahid, but I would love to. So if Shahid sir, you're watching this, I am going to wait for that day where I get to speak with you because I just want to say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello? Hello? You're this side. Hi, this is Aruna from Bollywood Society. My question is for Rohit Yu.
Hi,
You
Aruna.
have been paired up with Pashmina in the film, and people are eagerly waiting to see you guys on the screen. So tell us something about your off-screen and on-screen chemistry with Pashmina.
I love that you have already decided I'm paired up against with Pashmina. You don't know that yet, ma'am. There's a lot of things happening in this film which you may or may not get from the teaser. But what I can tell you about on-screen and off-screen equation with Pashmina is that she's crazy. Okay, I've had the most amount of fun shooting with her. It's a little shocking when I think about it and I look back. We've had fights like we're siblings. It is, and I know that my producers right now are going to want to kill me because, when you're promoting a romantic film, that's the last thing you should be saying. But in all honesty, I've had a blast shooting with her. She's so endearing. And I say this off camera and on camera. I cannot wait for people to see what she's done because she's so endearing on screen. She's going to make you fall in love in a second. You think about Pashmina and you're converted. So that was me for her. And I'm just so happy to be doing this with her.
Hi.
It was great fun.
Thank you. Gibran, my next question is for you. You are a very good dancer, and obviously, tell us about your journey as a dancer to preparation for the song. How did you do it?
So I think most of y'all will not know this, but I have something in common with Shahid sir as well. I was also an instructor with Shamak Davar for around 7 to 8 years. And I have danced with his company. I've been a background dancer. I have done my bit. And Vijay sir was also with me while I was growing up at Shamak Davar. So he choreographing this song is actually something which is just, it baffles me, because मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था, that we'll get to perform this song with Vijay choreographing the old hook step. And yeah, so as a dancer, it's a dream come true. And I hope I've done justice to Shahid sir and the song and everyone else. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Here. Straight. Center.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Hi, Manjari. This is Manjari, everyone. Please say hi to her.
Hi. Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Manjari from Pop Diaries. Congratulations on the fabulous teaser. I'm very excited. So my question is actually to Rohit.
Yes.
So we've seen you on those big screens since a very, very young age. I think 16.
16, yes.
It's been 10 years now in the industry.
Yes.
If I had to ask you what you've learned, because it's Ishq Vishk Rebound, all second chances and everything, what you've learned.
Oh, nice. You make me sound like some... It's really... thank you. I think there's too many things that you learn from project to project as you go from one to the other, when you work with multiple directors, when you get to work with such brilliant actors that I've had the fortune to work with. But I think one thing that supersedes everything, and that is something that I learned on my first film, and I feel like that is something that I will kind of take with me for the rest of my life, is that you need to put your head down and work. I feel like there is nothing that surpasses hard work, and there is nothing that surpasses belief. That's one. There've been what I've really honestly learned is that there are many times when you feel down and out, and you're not too sure of what's going on in life. But those are the moments where you need to most believe in yourself and believe that hard work is going to pay off. So I think that's one thing that I've learned.
And you look really great.
Oh, thank you, Manjari. So do you.
Hello, Pashmina, here. Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, Pashmina, you're looking awesome in the teaser and trailer. I mean, you have a lineage and legacy. What is the pride and pressure of having Roshan in your surname?
Thank you. The pride is it's the legacy that my family holds. It's the work they've done. I am so proud of all of them. And the pride and the luck is that I have their support and their advice. But the pressure is to live up to that. To live up to their advice, to live up to their work, to make a place for myself in this industry like they have, in the hearts of the audience. And that's a pressure. Yeah.
Pashmina, hi. Here only, same side.
Oh, hello.
जी इसी continuation में है मेरा सवाल.
जी.
Because पहले तो welcome to the movies.
Thank you.
It's probably
Thank you so much.
dream for you. But जैसे आपने बोला कि जो उनकी एडवाइस रही हैं उनको आप आगे ले जाना चाहते हो, तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ क्या एडवाइस मिली, इफ़ आई कैन आस्क फ्रॉम ऋतिक या राकेश जी से आपको?
जी, उनसे मुझे सिर्फ एडवाइस ही नहीं, उनकी मेंटरशिप भी मिली है. What he tries to tell me all the time is that कि आप जो काम कर रहे हो उसमें आप authenticity लाओ, अपना 100% दो. And if you do these two things, I think you're set. So this is his advice always. This is the main advice that he keeps on giving me again and again. And I really hope मैं उनकी advice पे खरी उतरी हूँ. I really hope.
एंड नाला बोला जाता है कि आज का जो दौर है उसमें ये जो यंग रोमांस है, रोम कॉम्स हैं, वो थोड़े कम हो गए हैं. ऐसा कहा जाए कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स अभी नहीं मिल रहा है. डू यू एग्री विद इट? आप किस तरह से देखते हो इस चीज़ को?
जी, इनफैक्ट जब मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, द लिंगो, द वेरी फैक्ट दैट वी हैव द वर्ड रीबाउंड in our title, this is obviously it's a new age lingo that we all use, and I'm so excited to just be a part of a new universe because ज़्यादातर ये नहीं देखने को मिलता आज के ज़माने में, and I'm just happy that we've gotten an opportunity to explore something that we can bring, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को उसमें हम देख सकते हैं, डाल सकते हैं, and लोगों को दिखा सकते हैं. तो yeah.
All the best, all of you.
Thank you.
So I have a question to Gibran. A lot of people actually don't know that, for years you have waited to have a debut. There have been days where you have also been emotionally low, not finding the right movie or the right offer. What was your first reaction when you were offered Ishq Vishk Rebound? Because of course it comes with a recall value as well.
Thank you. Yes, of course it's taken me a really, really long time. But like ma'am, you said, like the rom-coms are missing from our industry. And I feel when I auditioned for the film and Ramesh ji said कि, हमें तुम चाहिए. And so मैं बहुत ही खुश था because I really am a big, big lover of the romantic Hindi cinema. हम बड़े हुए हैं, हम 90s के बच्चे हैं. So हम romance ही देख के बड़े हुए. And to do a film like this, it is a dream come true. And I hope we can make more of these because I feel we need that lighter tension. We need song and dance. And we need a lot of love in today's world. So yeah, thank you, Nayan. And thank you, Ramesh ji, Jaya, Nipun sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
And one question to all of you, because the language of love has changed so much in the last few years, right? Like, there are people who will not understand situations. See, I couldn't even say it. Situationships, because I don't understand it. Which kind of love do you relate to the most? Do you think that you are that cusp generation where you're stuck between like the old school romance and the Tinder romance where there is a lot of rebound relationships and situationships, this time pronounced correct?
You want to start?
I believe in the old school love. I love it. I want monogamous relationships and I only believe in that. I understand, by the virtue of, the day and age that we're living in, everyone around you wants like new tags, this polyamorous relationships and situationships and all of that jazz. I hear them and I respect it, but I don't want it for myself. I want old school love.
I'm an out-and-out traditionalist. I like it the traditional way. I just feel like that's probably the time and age where we were growing up. And like you said, we're kind of stuck in these two universes, trying to figure out what the hell a situationship is and being a part of one as well. So I think in my heart, I'm a traditionalist, but we've got to get out there and understand what a situationship is, right?
I love how everyone is fumbling on that word.
Situationship.
Yeah, that word, it's a no-go for me. Yeah, so I would say even I'm a traditionalist, but what I do agree with from this, maybe it's something new, that you take your time and get into a relationship, you get to know the person, you set your boundaries, all of that talk, that I'm down with. Yeah, so maybe it's like a new form of traditionalist.
Yeah, I am an Ashik, yaar. Like, I'm old school. I'm just very old school. So, yeah, like Rohit said, we need to move ahead and we need to understand these things also. But I'm an Ashik.
Hello. Yeah, Ramesh ji, this side. Rajiv here. This side on your right. On your right. Yeah, you are the one common point between these two movies because you're the producer. And you have selected probably what was your most youthful movie at that time. So now how did you look at love then and how do you look at love and teenage?
Wow. I love this question.
देखो उस वक्त भी यंगस्टर्स का प्रॉब्लम था हमेशा और आज भी है, वो हमेशा रहता है। पर आज एक अच्छी बात ये है कि अगर ठीक है एक अच्छी जो आज के यूथ की बात ये है, अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि अगर आपकी पटती है, आपका प्यार है, समझो कभी कैसा होता है कि 1 साल 2 साल चला फिर नहीं चल रहा है, कुछ झगड़े हो रहे हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, कुछ रिलेशनशिप नहीं हो रहा है, तो दे ब्रेकअप ईजीली, जो पहले नहीं होता था, यू नो। तो वो एक आई थिंक वो अच्छी बात भी है। दे फील हैप्पी, दे बोथ इंडिविजुअल्स आर हैप्पी, द पीपल आर हैप्पी। तो आई थिंक उससे दोनों चीज़ें सही है। उसको कोई ये नहीं बोल सकता कि उस वक्त सही था या आज गलत है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
And second, what made you sign Nipun for the direction? At that time it was Ken, he was in a different...
निपुण ने 2-3 मराठी पिक्चरें बनाई थी और निपुण को नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला था और उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन भी है स्क्रिप्ट में। जब हमने उसको स्क्रिप्ट पिच की तो ही लाइक्ड इट, लव्ड इट इमेंसली एंड ही ऑल्सो ब्रॉट इन हिज इनपुट ऑल्सो इन इट। तो वो लगा कि हाँ ये सही डायरेक्टर है, ये पिक्चर को सही बनाएगा।
Okay, my third and last question is for Pashmina. Pashmina, I met everybody in your family. I'm not so old, but I met your grandmother also.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Your father's mother.
Yes.
And how do you look up, extending the question which was formally asked, how do you look up to this, living up to your, especially your cousin's legacy and your father's legacy? Because for example, what song of your father you would like to do a similar recreation and dance in?
Wow. Thank you for the question, and it's finally really nice to meet you as well. To answer my father's song, I would love to dance on Jab Chhaya Mera Jadoo. That's my favorite song by him. And it's got the grooves and the oomph. So I wish one day maybe. And while I said I do feel a lot of pressure, I am also surrounded by artists, and they're they give that the most importance. So when you give the art the importance, everything else is smaller. The pressure to live up to them or something, you create what you have to create. And you create that with love and care and emotion, and that will be valued. So I try to think like that.
Hi guys.
Okay, we'll take 2 more questions. Yeah?
Hi guys, this side Nawaz Kochra here from Indian Express. So I just wanted to, ask a follow-up question to what Nayan had asked about situationships. Ishq Vishk is a very special movie for millennials, and while this one is catering to the Gen Z, it is said that Gen Z is very clear when it comes to what they want in every aspect of life. Having played characters which would relate to the Gen Zs, I want to understand from y'all that if y'all as youngsters today have one point in your lovers that is non-negotiable, or your partner that y'all, one quality in your partner that is non-negotiable for y'all, what would that be for each one of you?
Shall I start? Yeah. I think it was on the tip of my tongue. Definitely the idea of respect, right? I feel like that very word is kind of taken for granted a lot of the times in today's day and ages. So I definitely feel like respect is one factor that is a genuine, non-negotiable factor for me.
Dishonesty and ambition, actually, both are very, very important for me. I feel like dishonesty is also, there are so many grades of dishonesty now. It's really confusing. So I feel like with each, new relationship, I feel like there's also, you need to kind of understand what the grade of dishonesty works and what doesn't work. And I feel like ambition is one thing that's a non-negotiable for me. Like, it's a deal breaker. Like, you've got to be ambitious for me to be attracted and feel the love. So I feel these two things, yeah.
For me, it is if someone feels the need to belittle other people, to put themselves up, that's a non-negotiable. I wouldn't want to be with such a person. Yes.
So I think loyalty is something which is non-negotiable. Like, I think, and that is really missing in today's generation, just being loyal to one another. So yeah, loyalty.
Is there a favorite iconic Bollywood love story that each one of y'all have, like something that y'all want your love story probably to be?
Sir, I would want Veer Zara, but that's not happening. So I just love Veer Zara. So yeah.
I would want Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and go on all those trips as Bunny. Yeah.
Now that you said that, I think I'm going to say Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, because travel ka travel, pyar ka pyar, dono mil jayenge.
I want to say something. It's not really Bollywood, but in all honesty, sir, I've grown up seeing my mom and my dad. They are the most beautiful love story ever, and I want that for myself. In all honesty, because like I feel like I love films and I look up to them and I want to be in them and I am in one. But like when I think about it, those are sure it comes from. I'm really deviating. Sorry about that, but just bear with me. I feel like those come from somebody's mind and imagination. But like mom and dad, they've had it and I've seen that growing up. So I want that for myself and it's the most beautiful love story for me. So that's what I want.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
One last question.
Yeah, Rochak, this side. I'm raising my hand. Aditi from News 18. Congratulations for the new song. It's amazing. And as earlier it also has been said कि एकदम proper Hindi film गाना वो पुराने ज़माने का वो touch है. So were there any creative challenges to recreate this, to match up with this generation as well?
Yeah, as I said, we made some 17, 18 versions of it. And जब इनका मैंने video देखा तो I was feeling a little underwhelmed कि यार ये Ghana is not matching up to their energy. So we had to change the song and we had to add a little more beats. Having said that, there are some amazing numbers lined up in this album. There are around 8 songs. And I think each song, we've... And actually मैं आपको बताता हूँ, normally brief जो मिलता है ना गाना बनाने का वो ऐसा होता है कि हमको hit गाना चाहिए. Everybody, पहला brief ही होता है. तो यहाँ पर जो, what actually made me involved so much was, the fact that they wanted the songs to marry the script, to marry the film, to marry the energy of the characters. So, I think that was why I love this film so much, and this is going to be my favorite work ever. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for all the wonderful questions. And of course, रोचक ने बात की थी, उन्होंने बताया था कि कैसे सोनू sir was like, नहीं मुझे एक बार और ऐसे गाना है. Okay, you want to ask something quickly? One last question.
Hello, hi. This is Amar. Congratulations, guys. Brilliant teaser, brilliant trailer, and what a song.
Thank you.
If I want to ask all 4 of you, what was that one thing which you learned about your art, about your craft, while shooting for the film that it surprised you in a way that, oh, I can do this as well, while shooting for Ishwish Rebound? It surprised you in a good way, obviously.
I feel like what I learned about myself is that I need to trust myself a little bit more, I feel. Like there's, I psych myself out before like certain scenes and stuff. But what I did figure out in this film is that I can go without psyching myself out and still come out okay and, make my director happy. So I think that's one thing. And second thing I learned is that I can actually lip sync, which is very exciting. It was honestly like I've wanted to do this for such a long time. And to be able to finally do this for multiple songs this time around was just so exciting. I think my most exciting part about shooting the songs was that, there's this one song where I got to do lip sync in slow-mo, which was so fun. I never thought that I could do it, but yeah, I managed to do it, and I can't wait for you all to watch it. Yeah.
You know, for me, I think that the other work that I've done has always required a certain amount of fierceness that I brought to my characters. And here I had to constantly remind myself of the vulnerability of fresh love and that new romance. So for me, the biggest learning was to constantly go back to that feeling of when you're first in love, the butterflies in your stomach, the lightheadedness. I had to kind of get myself into that zone repeatedly, and I think that's my biggest learning, because it makes you a little bit more vulnerable and a little bit more, you can wear your emotions on your sleeve a touch more. So for me, that was the greatest learning on this.
Okay, so this was my first film, and I thought I had to go at it alone. But I learned that it's okay to ask for help. And I can say so fondly that each one of these people on the stage have helped me so much throughout the filming of the set, film, that, and I learned that in life also, it's okay then to ask for help. It's okay to be vulnerable like that. Yeah.
Sir, I feel that as a kid, acting was different, but now acting as an adult, you do get the jitters. But I feel I started trusting my co-actors, and I felt that really helped me, because when they give us the energy while doing a scene, it just elevates your performance. मतलब जो आप prep करके आते हो वो वैसे होता ही नहीं है. Because when you're doing something, like for example, if it's Rohit and me doing a scene, I will feed off on his energy. So me just trusting his energy was something which I really learned. And I think that's one of the best feelings for an actor, to just trust your co-stars. Because you're as good as your co-stars, to be very honest. Yeah.
We good? Thank you so much. And of course, talking about honesty, I'll take it from there. वो दिख रही है यहाँ पे, बातों में भी दिख रही है, and of course performance में भी दिख रही है, तो congratulations on that.
Thank you, sir. Thank
What
you.
we'll do is quickly, रोचक ने जैसा उन्होंने हमें बताया था कि सोनू सर ने इसमें जो अपनी आवाज़ दी है, तो उनकी तरफ से ना एक मैसेज भी आया हुआ है. मैं हमारे सुपरस्टार्स से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, प्लीज बी सीटेड बिकॉज वी हैव अ सरप्राइज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, सोनू सर की तरफ से.
Very bad.
सुन तो लो, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, बोल रहे हैं ना.
Hi, I'm so happy to be a part of Ishq Vishk Rebound, but I'm also missing out of the fact that I'm not going to be present at the launch of my song Ishq Vishk Pyar Vyar, which I sang after like 2 decades again. And Tips and Ramesh Toranaji, Kumar Toranaji, the families and the team, they've been my family for a very long time. मेरे बचपन से इनका बचपन ही कहूँगा, जब मैं यहाँ पर आया था तो तब से मैं इन सबको जानता हूँ. एंड दे हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ, माय करियर, माय ग्रोथ. मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर किया है, मोटिवेट किया रमेश जी ने खास तौर से. मैंने अच्छा कुछ किया है तो मुझे पता है कि तुम अच्छा कर रहे हो. एंड हमारी साथ में ज़िंदगी साथ साथ चलती रही है. उनके अच्छे बुरे वक्त में भी मैं साथ में रहा हूँ, मेरे अच्छे बुरे वक्त में भी वो साथ में रहे हैं. तो अब ये दिल का नाता नहीं है, रूह का नाता है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू आवर फैमिली, इश्क विश टीम, रीबाउंड टीम. एंड मैं इन स्पिरिट्स रहूँगा एट द लॉन्च, एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग द पिक्चराइजेशन ऑफ द सॉन्ग. पर मैं स्कॉटलैंड में हूँ उस समय, आई मीन ऑन अ टूर. सो आने के बाद हाय, आई एम.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू दादा, ये हमारे साथ शेयर करने के लिए. और में मेलो आता है, लेकिन नहीं, ये हमारे अंदर जोश भर देते हैं. काम तो बड़ी दूर चले जाता है. गिव इट अप फॉर मेलोडी, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. Gurpreet Saini is here, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him, the lyricist, of course. क्या खूब लिखते हैं. Now the musical team is here, of course. इस album की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. So यहाँ पे over to you guys. हो जाए थोड़ा धमाका. निकिता, how does it feel? मैंने तब पूछा नहीं था.
माइक मिल जाएगी माइक. क्या बोलूँ मैं? आई थिंक आई लाइक रेजोनेट विथ जो ऑलरेडी बोला गया है काफ़ी बार कि यू नो इतनी आइकॉनिक गाने का आई मीन मैंने काफ़ी रीमेक्स गाए एंड आई थिंक द कॉमन फैक्टर इन दैट एज इन टुनाइट एज इन टुडे इज़ दैट यू नो ये जो बचपन से हम सुन रहे हैं इन गानों को एंड यू नो वी गेट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट नाउ एंड इट्स रियली अनरियल. और ये मेरा पहला गाना है सोनू जी के साथ, so I'm super excited about that.
Amazing.
And of course, like my favorite, I love working with Rochak and Gurpreet. We like worked a lot together, and Mellow, of course, is not at all mellow. So.
So ठीक है, हम भी काय को रुकें. You know, तूफान से पहले की शांति बहुत हो गई. हो जाए. It's over to you guys.
I think let's call all of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
We need you guys.
I'm gonna need lyrics because clearly हमने.
हो जाए. आ जाओ.
You also have to perform, guys. ऐसे अकेले हम क्यों फंसे?
हंसने की बात नहीं है. रोहित के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Ladies and gentlemen, Rohit Saraf, Naila Agrawal, Pashmina Roshan, ladies and gentlemen, and of course Gibran.
Let's go.
Hello, you have to start. You know your lines, na?
Yes, sir.
अब obviously आज ही गाना रिलीज हुआ है तो मुझे सारे शब्द याद नहीं है. तुमको याद
We'll play a +1 for you. Don't worry.
चलो, here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Because सोनू सर का जो आवाज है वो मैं
Yeah,
मैच
of
नहीं कर
course.
सकता हूँ, है ना?
ठीक है मैम.
इसके बाद भी प्यार नहीं होगा तो कब होगा? 21st June is when we'll get to see the movie, and of course ये पूरी की पूरी कमाल की टीम in theaters.
Is it a dry day today? Tequila बोल रहे हैं लेकिन.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope we all enjoyed the grand finale. Did we all have fun? Thank God. That's how we do it. Thank you so much. It's time for the final photo op, और उसके लिए मैं रमेश सर से एक बार वापस से गुजारिश करूंगा. So please stage पे आइए. And Nikita, thank you. That was
Thank you so much.
Melody. It was not at all mellow at all. Not
Mellow,
at all.
mellow, dirty fellow.
Hi. Melody इतनी chocolatey. Sorry.
जवाब है इसका भी.
दो.
पूछते हैं ना लोग मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है? तो मेरा होता है कि मेलोडी खाओ.
इसीलिए मैं पूछ नहीं रहा था. फ्री का हम प्रमोशन दे रहे. फिलहाल इश्क विश्क rebound, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for the final photo op with this amazing team here. Yes. of course, 21st June is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters. और film enjoy कीजिए, गाने enjoy कीजिए. That's all we have for you. Thank you so much.